These cornstarch cookies require just 3 ingredients, and they're traditional Brazilian cookies that you won't be able to resist. They're light and crumbly in texture and pair perfectly with a hot drink. The first thing you have to do is preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. To make the dough, grab a bowl and add the butter, soft but still cool. Add the condensed milk. Combine together until the butter is completely incorporated. Gradually add the cornstarch and mix until incorporated. Keep adding the cornstarch until you have a dough. You don't have to use all of the cornstarch, but if the mixture seems too wet, keep adding. Roll half of the dough and cut it into small pieces, about 1.5 inches in size. Roll the pieces into balls and place them on the baking sheet. Leave ample space between them. Use a fork to gently flatten the dough balls. Bake them for 10 to 14 minutes or until the edges and the bottoms are lightly browned. It's important not to overbake, so keep a watchful eye on them at the end of the baking time. Let cool and serve and enjoy. To make the best cornstarch cookies, here are some tips. Gradually add the cornstarch. Adding too much can make the dough too dry. It should be smooth and not wet. Don't overbake. You don't want your cookies to be hard, they should be light and soft. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.